Welcome to this guided embodiment journey. We are going to begin by laying down in the floor in your mattress, putting your palms facing down, as well as all your body being rooted, feeling all the body rooted in the earth. And I will invite you to take some deep breaths. Inhaled, exhale, inhale love, and exhale love, and continue grounding yourself in the earth, touching the soil, feeling the contact with this safety net. No matter how high you go in this journey, you can always come back to the safety of this net. You can always come to the roots. You can always come to this nourishment by simply letting yourself receive and letting yourself release what no longer serves you. And I want you to imagine that all the excess energy from your day, it's been recycled by the mother, by the Great Mother. Just imagine how all this excess energy that no longer serves you, it's being pulled like a magnet into the center of the earth. Feel it leaving your body with a sense of lightness, with a sense of peace. And continue breathing. And slowly begin to move your toes and move your hands, moving your hips from side to side like if you were rocking a chair, feeling like this seed that has just been planted and it's been in its process of growing and is starting to sprout. So slowly begin this process of letting yourself get out from the floor and start exploring, this time as a baby, as a newborn that is crawling around the space, exploring, around, finding its own rhythm, learning how to move the body. And I encourage you to keep with your eyes closed if you feel safe, and you can open them at any time. But I encourage you to keep them closed to maintain an even more intimate experience, to go even deeper. And continue the exploration in this crawling position, bending your hands, your arms, bending your spine, moving your head, circles, make circles with your head, make circles with your hips, And continue breathing. And then you begin to transform and you begin to learn how to stand and how to balance your feet in the ground so you're able to walk. And so as you are walking around this space, you begin to find new ways to move yourself. You begin to explore from these new heights, from these new levels of awareness of your body. And you begin to explore like a child, like with the spirit of wonder, this new you. How this child would like to move, to let himself or herself just be. And continue breathing and continue finding new and different ways to move that are normally not what you will go for. Get curious, let her, let him move you. Let them show you the way. Let them remind you that it's safe to let go of the control, that it's safe to let go of the mind and to unrestrict yourself, to unrestrict your movements, your self-expression. And slowly you allow yourself to be more free in your expression, trying new poses, going up and down, exploring different movements. Just let yourself go, let yourself go, let yourself go. Remember, no one is watching. You are in your safe place, your personal safe space. And let the music guide you. Let the healing sounds take you on an exploration. And keep trying even different positions than the one that you have tried so far. How far can you go with your creativity? How far can you go with your expression? What does your body wants to tell you? What is the poem that wants to be written through the movements of your body? And allow. And feel like how the more you connect with the body and the less you let the mind take over, the more joy you begin to experience. The more free you start to feel, the more liberated, the more space for joy and creativity to emerge. And you continue letting yourself be the dance, becoming the dance itself. And you go deeper and deeper and you begin laughing and just realizing how wonderful it is to be alive, to be in a body, to be breathing, the miracle of the day, that you got to experience, and you feel grateful. And you let yourself go a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, until you feel like the mind is no longer in the dance. She just went on a break. He just went on a break. So keep going, keep going, keep going. This is your moment to be you. This is your moment to find safety in being your authentic self-expression. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And now, slowly, slowly, begin to lower the speed a little bit. Begin to come back into your center, standing in a standing position. And just feel in this still position how your whole body, your whole energy field is vibrant. Feel the energy moving even though you are in a space of stillness. Physically, your energy is pumped and is alive, and it feels good. And it feels good to be ourselves. It feels good to be authentic. It feels good to express whatever it is that we need to express without second guessing it. And take a few deep breaths. And placing your hand in your heart. And feeling the gratitude for this space, the gratitude for giving yourself this time and this presence, this gift to be in intimacy with your own self. Inhale gratitude, exhale love, and then you come back into a laying down position. This time you're going to place your hands facing the sky. Now in a position of receiving. And just stay here in this position, in this posture, laying down again, feeling supported by the mother. And allow yourself to receive whatever you need to receive. You are worthy of receiving. So if there's any information coming up for you, any insights, any sort of communication, or simply just silence and emptiness, that's also okay. Just give yourself your time to be here in this state of surrender. Continue breathing, inhaling, exhaling, and stay here for as long as you need to. Thank you for being here.